Are you ready to take control and own your own social media experience again? No more algorithms deciding what you see or echo chambers filling your feed. Welcome to Friend.Tech, the revolutionary new app putting you back in charge. Built on Coinbase's base layer 2 blockchain, Friend.Tech lets you literally buy and sell ownership shares of your favorite influencers, crypto personalities, and potentially even celebrities. It's like trading crypto stock in your favorite internet stars. The days of social media platforms profiting off your data while you passively consume are over. On Friend.Tech, you accumulate equity and influence over the accounts you care about most. Own enough shares of someone and you gain access to exclusive features, like private chat and personalized interactions with that user. It's paying for premium community membership taken to a whole new level. But the best part? There's a speculative aspect where savvy investors could profit. If you get in early on an account before it blows up, the share value may skyrocket exponentially based on demand. So are you ready to take back control of your social feed and potentially make money in the process? Then join me on an exciting first look into Friend.Tech and learn how to get in on the ground floor of this revolutionary concept. The opportunity's now, so let's dive in. Owning even just one share of someone allows you to access special features like private chat with that user, and it can be thought of as paying for private community access. As more people purchase shares of a profile, the share price increases exponentially based on a quadratic formula. This encourages a wider distribution of shares rather than centralization. For example, owning 100 shares of someone would get extremely expensive. Some critics are already worried that influencers will use tactics to hype up their own profiles and share prices. But for now, let's just take a look at how it works. Scrolling through the app, you can see the top accounts ranked by their current Ethereum share price. As expected, Kobe tops the list at over 2 ETH per share. Other popular crypto Twitter personalities like Sisyphus, Gamesy, and Kobe also have high-priced shares. It'll be interesting to see if any celebrities or mainstream influencers join Friend.Tech and quickly rise up the ranks. I'm sure fledgling social media stars will see this as an opportunity to monetize access to their brand. Early adopters who spot these accounts right when they join could profit massively if the influencer's community buys in and drives up the share price. Now, this is the part I'm most excited about with Friend.Tech. They're teasing an upcoming airdrop of the platform's governance token. Interacting on the app by buying shares, chatting with profiles, and inviting new users will allow you to earn points. These points will be distributed each week as tokens when the airdrop goes live. We don't know the full details yet, but if this app gains traction, then getting in early could mean profiting from the airdrop tokens. Some people are even speculating that Paradise Ventures' recent investment in Friend.Tech means a token launch could be coming too. Of course, all of this is speculation for now, but the potential is massive if Friend.Tech can make decentralization mainstream in social media. Let's keep an eye on this as it develops. So that covers the basics of how Friend.Tech works, who the top accounts are so far, and what's got people excited about the airdrop. Let me know if you have any other questions. Next up, I'll explain how fees work on the platform and some of the criticism it's facing already. Furthermore, next I want to explain how fees work on Friend.Tech and how you can earn from trades. On Friend.Tech, all trades between users involve fees. Anytime someone buys or sells shares, a 5% fee is charged on the transaction. Of that 5%, 2% goes to the original account holder whose shares were traded. The other 3% goes to Friend.Tech as revenue. But here's the cool part. As a shareholder, you passively earn from the fees generated on trades of accounts you hold. For example, if you own 5 shares of Kobe and there's a ton of trading volume that day, you'll accrue fees proportional to the activity. So influencers want to promote trades of their account to generate fees, and holders want activity to boost their profits. This alignment of incentives is really smart and unique to Friend.Tech. In your portfolio tab, you can see how much you've earned in fees so far. It starts off small but has the potential to add up over time as your holdings and the platform grow. However, Friend.Tech is not without some controversy already. While many crypto leaders praise the app's innovations, others have raised concerns. One issue is that accounts only make money from trading fees, not adding shareholders. This could motivate influencers to artificially hype up their page with controversial tactics, rumors, or even fake accounts trading shares back and forth. The exponential share pricing seems unsustainable, with prices skyrocketing from 0.1 ETH to 1 ETH virtually overnight in some cases. But the biggest concern appears to be maintaining momentum. Critics point out that previous attempts at decentralized social media like BigClout collapsed within months after a short-lived hype cycle. Only time will tell if FriendTech can sustain its growth or will fade out like other fads. For now, approach with caution, but also keep an open mind to the possibilities. Despite the risks, FriendTech does seem to improve on previous models with novel crypto-economic incentives and a mobile-first design. Opportunistic investors still may want to get involved early while it's fresh, and buy shares of accounts with potential. The key is not going all in. Set a responsible limit given the experimental nature of this app, but buying a few shares of various ascending accounts could pay off big time. That covers fees, criticism, and why an early position makes sense. Let me know your thoughts so far. Moving on, the last thing I want to cover in this overview of FriendTech is invite codes. As I mentioned earlier, you need an invite code to join the app since it's still in limited beta. Supplies are limited, so grab them fast if you want early access. Keep in mind that in order to do anything on FriendTech, you need to deposit at least 0.01 ETH. This ETH gets bridged over to the base chain, which is where the app lives. Once your ETH is in your FriendTech wallet, you're ready to start interacting. Search for your favorite personalities or upcoming influencers, buy some shares to access private chat, and see if you can get in early on the next top account. Pay attention to buy and sell spreads and aim to sell shares above your cost basis once they gain some traction. This is key to profiting off your early picks. And don't forget to stay active on the app to maximize points for the upcoming token airdrop. Interaction is key to optimizing your allocation there. That sums up the main points you need to know about getting started with FriendTech. With the invite code provided, all you need is a little ETH and you'll be ready to explore this fascinating and potentially lucrative new social world. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm planning to stay on the top of this as it evolves, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.